What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the DEERC 200E Brushless RC Car. So yes, this is the DEERC 200E Brushless RC Car, and it is fast. Let me tell you, it's fast. And I want to thank DEERC for sending this out to me for me to try out. I've had too much fun with it. It's been a blast. So what comes in the box with this awesome little truck is, it comes with two bodies, not one, but two beautiful and colorful RC bodies. These things are fantastic. And of course, it also comes with a remote control, the USB charging cable, two batteries, a manual, and an accessory package. And this accessory package comes with so much because this is a hobby grade vehicle. You can actually change out a few things, and you've got additional replacement parts to keep you up and running in case you have a minor mishap. So now let me tell you a little bit about the DEERC 200E. First of all, of course, you got this beautiful body, and the body is actually covered with a film to protect it in shipping. On the front, you have two status indicator lights. Then you have your ESC, your steering servo, your battery bay with a battery hold down, and your brushless motor. Then you have the transmitter, and even though this transmitter is essentially the same that comes with many other of DEERC's RC cars, you can still drive two of their DEERC cars that are 2.4 gigahertz by just making sure that you pair one car with a controller before you turn on the next one. On the transmitter, you have your on-off switch, your LED status indicator light, your speed switch adjustment, your steering trim adjustment, your steering wheel, your throttle trigger, which has three functions: forward, brake, and reverse, and your battery bay, which requires three AA batteries, which are not included. In some of the specifications of this awesome and powerful little RC car, you have a brushless motor, a splash-proof ESC. It is a true four-wheel drive car. You have 20 minutes of runtime per battery, and this guy will do up to, if not exceed, 60 kilometers per hour, which is around about 37 miles per hour, and I will be doing a test on it to see what kind of speeds we can get. I have truly loved driving this car. This has been fantastic. It is one of my favorite RC cars that I own at this point, and I plan on taking it and jumping some ramps with it and doing some speed tests, and we'll share some of that information with you in future videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly hope this helped you in some way. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again very soon.